Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add a shake effect in Premiere Pro. Alright, begin by uploading your clip or by selecting on a clip right here from Premiere Pro, just for this example. Alright. Now, once you're in here, you're going to want to click on this one right here, the new item, click on it, and then go ahead and select adjustment layer. Hit on OK. As you can see here, it is now added. Just go ahead and drag this above the clip or the video. Alright. I'm going to use the slider right here. So what we're going to do next is again, click on the adjustment layer and look for directional blur. Alright, as you can see here, directional blur is here. Just go ahead and drag it on the adjustment layer. Alright, now that we have added the directional blur, you're going to want to go to the effects control and go to the blur length right here. Just for this example, we're going to try in 40. Hit on enter. Alright, as you can see here, there's a blur. Then we're going to want to start the shaking from in this particular area. Alright, now what we're going to do next is zoom in and then go to the razor tool and cut, and maybe I'll start here again. Cut, and cut here, cut. Alright, once done, we're going to want to click on the selection tool, delete this one right here, delete. Alright, delete. Now let's go ahead and play the video. Alright, as you can see here, I'm going to try to add more. One moment. Let's say we get to copy this one in this particular section right here. Let's play the clip. Alright, that's basically it. I hope this video helps them. Please don't forget to share this video to your friends. And if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.